We were in the underhand opposite pinwheel, then I had you open it up to here and then wrap up, and then I had you go across with the right hand and I wanted you to stall to go into the buzzsaw. So let's do that one, because you want to come from underhand butterfly up to the pinwheel, then bring that to the side, wrap it up. That part should be relatively easy. Here's the part that might have been weird. Take your right poi, bring it across, stall it, and then pull it up into the buzzsaw. So let's do that sequence a couple times. So pinwheel, we're in, okay, underhand butterfly, up to, I think we did butterfly to angel, then I had you do the pinwheel, then I had you do the pinwheel extension, 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 back to the pinwheel. Now bring the right arm down, bring the left arm down, wrap the two of them up, then cross the right arm, stall it, and then pull it into the overhand buzzsaw. Good, let's do that again. So from the underhand butterfly and angel, angel, angel. Now come up to the pinwheel, pinwheel, pinwheel. We'll do extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, and then come down, wrap it up, bring the right one across, stall, pull it up into the overhand buzzsaw.